In this video I will explain you view criteria, what is view criteria, and how we can search by name or any other attribute. I am taking name and salary, search by name and salary. So for that I created already one application. I will explain you in detail. Just I want to show you what is it. In the model.view of the employees view object, there is a view criteria we have created by name salary criteria. So the output you can see here is, for example, if I give first name with letter C, it is in between or starting. For example, here Jack, C is coming in between and C is starting from here, Christopher is starting, and salary between 8,000 and 9,000. If you give like this, these two conditions are satisfied. Here salary is in the range 8,000 and 9,000. So in the same way, suppose if you want letter A, and here salary 8,000 and 9,000, here the salaries are coming, and here letter A, C here in the first name. So this is the simple application, but the condition is according to our search the output should come. So for this what we have to do is, let's create a new application. Go to file, new application, take ADF Fusion web application, give some application name. I'm giving demo application 8, and here click on next. There are two projects in this ADF. One is the model and another is the view controller. Project name is model, package is model, keep it as it is the default name. View controller is the second project. Next, click on finish. Close this and we will go from here. First go to the model part. It is nothing is in the model part. We have to create the business components, entity object, view object and application module. So for that, model, click, right click, new, select business components from tables, give some connection. For example, this is the connection name is connection 8 and username is HR. I gave password as HR. My service name is XEPDB1. Test connection. Here success. Click on OK. Click on OK. So here select the employees table. For that we need to keep it in a particular package. So give it as entity object EO you can give, and here give it as a suffix as EO. Next, this is the view object we have to create from the entity object. So give it as a view, and here also view. Click on next. I am not using this query based. Click on next. For the application module, give AM. Click on next. Next, this is showing what we have created: entity object, view object and application module. Click on finish. So for creating the here you can click on save all button. For creating the view criteria, we have to go to the view object. Here go to the employees view and select the view criteria tab, and you have to click on plus button to create the view criteria. Here click on add item button. Add item. Here select the attribute. We need the first name, and here operator is first name contains. Now in the similar way we want the for the salary as well. Now click on the add item one more time and select the attribute as salary. Salary, here operator is equals, we want between. So it depends upon the condition. If you are giving equal in the output page, you have to give the salary equal to this, then the output will display. Here we want the salary range, so here the operator is between. So click on here employees view criteria. You can give some specific name, for example employees view criteria. So click on OK. Now we need to create the JSF page. For that, go to the view controller, create new page. It is a JSF page. You want the name, for example I am giving test 1, and here create blank page. So click on OK. This is the source page. Click on design page. So here in the application data control, here we have the employees view object. Application module is nothing but set of view objects. So here how many view objects you are creating, it is appearing in the data application module data control. So here in the named criteria, these all queryable attributes is by default, but what we have given created the view criteria, it appears here employees view criteria. So select this and drag and bring it to this page. Select query, ADF query panel, so here employees view, this name better you can change this text to some specific name, for example employees search. It appears here, it's coming in the runtime, don't worry. So here select search label and change the property to header text. Header text property here. Yeah, here header text property to search. Here search is coming, what we are searching is search name and salary, so give some specific name. So for that, name and salary, it appears here. Now in this property, change mode change visible. Here mode change visible is true, so let's okay, mode change visible is true, we make it is as a false. Suppose if you make it false, this basic will disappear. We don't want this. Save query mode to hidden. This save search is there, no? We want to keep it as a hidden. So for this, save query mode, here we will keep this as a hidden. It is by default, so now this looks better. For example, I show you here, it's coming like this, the search page with no extra things. Now what we have to do is drag the employee view object from the data control. We want this employees view object and we want the table. So bring this employee view object to the panel group layout here in the structure. This is the structure we are putting in the panel group layout, and select it as a table, ADF table. Here select it as a single row. We want all the fields. If you want, keep it as it is. Click on OK. See, the table appears here. Now what we want to scroll the fields. So for this we want one toolbar. Click on AF table. We need panel collection. AF table surround with, select surround with, and here P, just type P and panel collection, select it, click OK. One toolbar will appear. See here, one toolbar will appear attached to the table. So you can save it, and if you want, in the previous we don't want this previous output, so just delete, terminate it, so that our application will run fast if you don't have the previous application in process. Now just run the page. This is our JSF page. Run this, click on run. See, our page is test1. So here it is coming first name and salary. We gave it in the criteria, the condition. So first name contains means any letter. Suppose for example, let me check with F, and here search. Where is that? Yeah, here. Yeah, F, Jennifer. First name, it is appearing. There are two fields with this one, and salary is here something between 4,000 and 5,000. Suppose if I give salary between 6,000 and 7,000, click on search button. Yeah, here the salary between employees salary between 6,000 and 7000 is appearing. So you can search by first name as well as last name. For example, letter C, salary between 6000 and these two conditions should satisfied, means it will appear with the letter C here, first name something Bruce and Charles, select and here salary between 6000 and 7000. You can search by either first name or salary, or you can search it by first name and salary, both conditions. So this is the simple application. View criteria, you can go and give the conditions there, and you can see the output in the output page. Very simple to create. See here, this is the view criteria. Here conditions are there, and here you can add the items, and here operator is there. Because while creating the pages we need the conditions. So in certain conditions we have to give proper attributes. You can give it in the view criteria in JDeveloper. This is very helpful while creating the pages. So thanks for watching.